Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an Apple ID for beginners. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap Sign In to your iPhone at the top. If you don't already have an Apple ID, tap Don't Have an Apple Account and follow the on-screen instructions to create one. If you're creating an Apple ID for someone else or your device is already signed in, open Safari and go to account.apple.com. Tap the menu icon and select Create Your Apple Account to begin. Enter your first and last name. Choose your country or region and add your date of birth. Next, enter an email address that you want to use as your Apple ID. Then, create a strong password that meets Apple's requirements. After that, enter your phone number and complete the security verification. Then tap Continue. Apple will send verification codes to both your email address and phone number. Enter the codes to verify your account and finish the setup process. So that's basically how you can create an Apple ID for beginners. That's it for this video. Thanks!